There are aircraft that simply move people from one place to another. And then there are aircraft that redefine what personal flight can be. The Piper M700 Fury belongs firmly in that second category. A single-engine turboprop so capable, so refined, and so technologically advanced that it has shattered every expectation of what a propeller-driven aircraft is supposed to look, feel, and perform like. Carrying one pilot and up to 5 passengers in pressurized, climate-controlled comfort, the Fury is the pinnacle of Piper's 6-decade evolution, and it is absolutely in a class of its own. Stay with us till the end of the video, because today we're going inside the $5 million Piper M700 Fury to talk about everything you need to know about this awe-inspiring aircraft. The moment you approach this machine, the name makes perfect sense. Named after the legendary Hawker Fury biplane fighter that served the Royal Air Force in the 1930s, this modern Fury carries that proud fighting spirit forward in the most elegant way imaginable. Step through the forward air stair door, and the cabin immediately envelops you in what Piper calls the EXP package, a premium, fully customizable interior that sets a new benchmark for single-engine turboprops. The cabin measures 12 feet 4 inches in length, 4 feet 1 inch in width, and 3 feet 11 inches in height, encompassing a total volume of 165 cubic feet. For a single-engine aircraft, this is a remarkably efficient and purposeful space. The 6-place interior is appointed with handcrafted tri-tone leather seating in your choice of several curated color palettes. Custom embroidery, premium veneer trim finishes, and high-quality materials throughout give the Fury a genuine sense of executive refinement. The seats offer a level of lateral support and cushioning that makes even a transcontinental leg feel unhurried. Piper's Piper Air air conditioning system keeps the cabin at a consistently comfortable temperature, while the integrated digital cabin pressurization system maintains a cabin altitude of just 8,244 feet when the aircraft is cruising at its maximum certified altitude of flight level 280. That's nearly 9,000 feet up in the stratosphere, and you feel like you're sitting in a comfortable office. Large oval windows bathe the interior in natural light, connecting every passenger to the sweeping views outside.
Connectivity is fully addressed through Garmin's PlaneSync system, which provides 4G LTE and Wi-Fi integration, keeping passengers linked to the world below, whether they're reviewing documents, taking calls, or simply streaming entertainment. USB-A and USB-C charging ports are positioned throughout the cabin. The aircraft's internal baggage compartment holds a full 100 cubic feet of storage, more than generous for a long weekend business trip or a family getaway. The lavatory is a compact but thoughtfully designed private space, adding a level of dignity and convenience that travelers on this tier of aircraft absolutely expect. Slide forward and step into the flight deck, and the entire character of the M700 Fury shifts from serene retreat to mission command center. Piper made the deliberate and correct decision to equip the Fury with the full Garmin 3100 glass cockpit, a suite of avionics more commonly found in light jets than in single-engine turboprops. The flight deck is dominated by 3 high-resolution displays presenting synthetic vision, primary flight data, navigation, engine parameters, and system status in a clean, logical layout. 2 GTC 575 touchscreen cockpit management controllers sit within easy reach of both the pilot and co-pilot positions, allowing precise, intuitive command of every avionics function. The GFC 700 digital autopilot, with its advanced automatic flight control system, seamlessly integrates the flight director, autopilot, automatic trim, and yaw damper into one unified experience. The auto throttle manages power settings automatically, reducing pilot workload substantially, especially during climb and descent. For weather awareness, the Fury carries the GWX 8000 Storm Optics weather radar, a GDL60 data link, iridium satellite communications via the GSR 556 transceiver, and a GTS 855 traffic advisory system, equivalent to TCAS-1. Safe Taxi and Surface Watch protect operations on the ground, while Garmin flight charts and synthetic vision protect operations in the air.
But the crown jewel of this cockpit, and one of the most remarkable achievements in general aviation history, is the Halo safety system. Halo is a multi-layered envelope of autonomous protection. Electronic stability and protection monitors the aircraft continuously when hand-flown, gently correcting any drift toward dangerous bank angles, pitch attitudes, or unsafe airspeeds. A single button press activates automatic level mode, instantly returning the aircraft to wings level flight with 0 vertical speed, a potential lifesaver in disorienting conditions. Above 14,100 feet with the autopilot engaged, Halo's hypoxia detection monitors pilot activity. Should it detect incapacitation, it automatically initiates an emergency descent to a safer altitude. And if the pilot still does not respond, it activates Garmin's AutoLand system, which won the Collier Trophy in 2020, the highest honor in American aviation. AutoLand selects the most suitable airport, configures the aircraft, deploys de-ice, extends flaps and landing gear, communicates with air traffic control, updates passengers on the landing time, executes a precision approach and landing, brings the aircraft to a full stop, and then instructs everyone on board how to exit safely. It can also be manually activated by any passenger from a guarded switch on the instrument panel. No pilot training required, no panic under pressure, just safety redefined. Now let's talk about what actually makes this aircraft a Fury. The power plant is the magnificent Pratt & Whitney PT6A 52 turboprop engine, one of the most respected and reliable aviation power plants ever built. On the M700, it is flat-rated at 700 shaft horsepower, 100 more than the previous M600 SLS, and it maintains that full 700 horsepower all the way up to flight level 240, nearly 24,000 feet above sea level. The 5-blade swept composite heart cell propeller converts all of that energy into forward thrust with extraordinary efficiency. The result is a climb rate of 2,048 feet per minute at sea level, a 30% improvement over the M600 SLS, and the ability to reach flight level 250 in a mere 13.9 minutes. The service ceiling is 30,000 feet.
In terms of performance numbers, the Fury speaks for itself. At maximum cruise power at flight level 250, this aircraft achieves 301 knots true airspeed, that is 347 miles per hour, making it the first Piper single-engine aircraft in history to breach the 300-knot barrier. At that speed, fuel burn is a very manageable 55 gallons per hour, or approximately 208 liters per hour. The usable fuel capacity is 260 gallons. At maximum cruise with a 45-minute reserve, the Fury covers 1,149 nautical miles, approximately 1,322 statute miles, in a single non-stop leg. Throttle back just slightly to 292 knots, and that range stretches to 1,424 nautical miles, or roughly 1,638 statute miles. Pull the power further back to an economical 206 knots, and the Fury can cover an astonishing 1,852 nautical miles non-stop. That's over 2,131 statute miles, or nearly 9 hours in the air without a fuel stop. Takeoff distance over a 50-foot obstacle is 1,994 feet, and landing distance over a 50-foot obstacle is 1,950 feet, meaning the Fury can comfortably operate from thousands of smaller regional airports that jets simply cannot reach. Maximum takeoff weight is 6,000 pounds, keeping it eligible for Basic Med pilot certification, a significant advantage for owner-operators. Now, what does all of this extraordinary engineering actually cost? A new Piper M700 Fury carries a base list price of approximately $4.2 million, with fully equipped demonstrators testing at around $4.5 million, and the market for delivered aircraft reflects values in that same range. Hence the $5 million conversation when you factor in options, customization, and the comprehensive Ultimate Care program that covers all scheduled maintenance through the first 1,500 flight hours or the 5th annual inspection. Piper sweetens ownership further with a 5-year airframe and avionics warranty, a 7-year 2,500-hour warranty on the PT-6A-52 engine through Pratt & Whitney, and a 5-year heart cell propeller warranty.
For charter operators and fractional users, the Fury delivers corporate jet-like performance at 30 to 40% lower hourly operating costs than comparable light jets. Variable hourly operating costs, fuel, maintenance, reserves, run approximately $633 per hour. For an owner flying 400 to 450 hours per year, total fixed costs add approximately $198,000 annually in insurance, hangar, and crew expenses. The all-in annual budget for a typical owner-operator comes to approximately $795,000 per year, which breaks down to roughly $1,766 per flight hour. A figure that makes extraordinary sense when you consider you are flying at jet speeds in jet-like comfort from airports a jet could never use. The Piper M700 Fury is not simply the fastest single-engine turboprop Piper has ever built. It is a statement about what personal aviation can achieve when engineering ambition meets genuine human purpose. It is fast enough to compete with jets, safe enough to inspire confidence in any passenger, and refined enough to make every flight a memory worth keeping. Thank you for staying with us till the end. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.